And straight on to the market action now. The Sensex and the Nifty had ended the day absolutely flat. A late sell-off saw the Nifty give up its modest 50-point gains. The midcaps, meanwhile, were under pressure after most of their reported earnings missed top-line expectations. Sonia Shenoy joins us for a more in-depth analysis of today's market action. Sonia.
Well, the key takeaway from today is that the ball is still in the Bears' court. The Bears have the upper hand. At every minor bounce, there was selling pressure that you saw on the index itself. In fact, the Nifty lost about 50 points from the day's highs and consolidated to end flat. The key level to watch now is the 7480 to 7500 level, which is the key resistance zone or the hurdle for the market on the upside. The other disappointing bit was that the Bank Nifty continued to underperform. And as you rightly mentioned, there was a lot of top-line disappointment in mid-cap earnings in names like Godrej Consumers, Havells, Colgate, Nilkamal. It just goes to show that demand is just not picking up in corporate India. Now, to take you through the losers, first up, you had stocks like HUL that hit fresh 52-week lows in trade today. You had a couple of private banks like Axis Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank too that were under pressure today. Cement stocks like Ambuja and ACC were down and out, while you had names like Capital Goods, BHEL, L&T too that were under pressure in trade today. On the gainers list, power stocks like NTPC and Power Grid did well. Pharmaceutical names like Dr. Reddy's and Sun Pharma were also on the upside today. And in the auto space, Tata Motors and Maruti were a couple of stocks that did well in trade today. In the mid-cap space, the key theme was top-line earnings disappointment. So names like Havells, Kajaria Ceramics, Godrej Consumers, Colgate, Nilkamal were all stocks that disappointed as far as top-line growth is concerned. And remember, these were big wealth creators in the last bull run. A couple of names hitting fresh 52-week lows, names like Dabur, M&M Finance, United Breweries, Whirlpool, all at fresh lows today. And on the gainers list, aviation once again is back in the skies. So SpiceJet and Interglobe were both up and about. In fact, SpiceJet hitting a fresh 52-week high today. Back to you.
Well, thanks very much for that.